Got Talent results night, and a while ago, Sandogo Band claimed the third slot sa ating Grand Finals.
At ang susunod na pangalan na tatawagan namin, isa sa nakakuha ng pinakamaraming boto. At paalala lang po, wala nang bearing kung second or third place sila sa votes dahil nasa kamay na ng Big Three ang kapalaran. Pati ako kinukorek ko sarili ko eh. Kapalaran nilang dalawa. At yan ang tinatawag nating judges vote. So to all of you, good luck again.
Good luck. Ang unang pangalan na dadaan sa judges vote at may chance to go all the way to the Grand Finals. Please step forward. Please step forward. Muriel! To the rest of the semi-finalists, good luck pa rin. Meron mo yung chance mamaya and I'll see you later on. Muriel, samahan mo naman kami. Good job, Muriel!
Muriel, ano ang pakiramdam mo when you heard your name?
Shock! Ay, hindi pala. So happy. Happy ako.
Anong gusto mong sabihin sa lahat ng bumoto para sa'yo?
Sa lahat ng mga bumoto sa akin, maraming salamat po. Salamat sa pagsuporta po sa akin. Sana po, suportahan niyo ako all the way. I love you guys.
Anong gusto mong sabihin naman sa ating mga judges?
Ay, hello po. Thank you po. Salamat po.
Judges, any words for Muriel?
You've been given a golden opportunity, pero Muriel, hindi pati yung ending kasi meron ka pang isang makakalaban. So, ang pagkanta mo ngayon, sing like it's the last night of your life.
That's right.
Yes.
Miss Ai?
Tama, and magaling ka, and sana remain humble all the way.
Opo, thank you po.
Sir?
I'd like to pursue what Chris said, sing as though it's the last night of your life.
Thank you po.
Well, yan Muriel, hindi pa tapos ang laban para sa'yo, right?
Well, Muriel, may ask you lang. Sabi nga namin nung audition pa lang, iba ng klase ang iyong pinagdaanan. There's discrimination, ang kung ano-ano pa. Once again, sabi namin, magkikita tayo sa semifinals, di ba?
Correct.
Anong gusto mong sabihin doon sa mga taong pilit kang binababa pero pinapakita mong hindi ka kayang ibaba?
Sa mga nag-discriminate sa akin sometime in my life noon dati. Thank you po. Wala naman akong grudges sa inyo. Kasi,
Grudges.
Diyos nga nagpapatawa, di ba?
Tama. And thank you for showing us that you can definitely rise above
Muriel,
discrimination.
that's
you po.
right. Muriel, why don't you go over there and set yourself up?
At habang naghahanda si Muriel, isang happy birthday sa ating PA na si Nikki Katakutan at talent coordinator na si Dong Piloto. Happy birthday, Kuya Dong. At syempre, sa executive producer ng Showtime na si Kuya Mark Rejano.
Kuya Mark!
Happy birthday sa inyo.
Birthday! Saan ang lechon?
At ngayon, showtime na para sa dadaan sa judges vote. Out to prove she deserves to be part of the Grand Finals. Please welcome Muriel Lomatilla.
There's a fire started in my heart, reaching a fever pitch that's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, I'll lay your ship bare. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hand, but you played
Muriel, mas titindi ang tensyon dahil isa pang pangalan ang may pag-aasa to be a step closer to 2 million pesos.
Sino ang magbababay sa kompetisyon at mag-high-high sa Grand Finals? Lahat ng yan only here on
Pilipinas Got Talent.
The grand winner of Filipinas Got Talent Season 3 will receive 2 million pesos
From Head & Shoulders, the world's #1 anti-dandruff shampoo.